Come on, come on. That was really funny. This guy came running out because I forgot something at the gas station. I love the gas station attendant there. I always say hi in the morning. But yeah, I love mornings. Can't wait to go racing today. We got a 15K up in Dawsonville, Georgia, so it should be fun. All right. So we're here. That's the event up that way. Parking, getting ready to get underway. We got about approximately just under an hour before race start. Gave us a little welcome packet here. So there I am. There's my bib. I'm gonna be 315. You can see the different sponsors here. Hammer Nutrition, Modern Woodman, a whole bunch of them. Put on by the Dawson County Chamber of Commerce. Hammer Nutrition. Let's see what else we got in here. A little brochure. Really cool. Looks like we got maybe a goo pack here. Hammer gel. All right. It's got a little bit of caffeine as well. Take that on the race with us. See how that goes. And what's in here? Looks like we got a backpack kind of some sort. Okay. Northside Hospital, some Band-Aids, laboratory, services, health link. Oh, bacterial wipes, that's good. Just a bit more flair here. Awesome. And last but not least, the shirt. 3rd annual Mountain Madness 15K. Cool. Well, I'm excited, guys. Let's get ready here and we'll go hang out. All right, pretty much ready to go. Got the tag on, got the pack on, got the water ready to go. Now it's just a matter of warming up. Sun's coming up, it's already getting warmer. It's a little cool. Should be a good race. 9.3 miles. So excited.
But it is the first day of spring. My name is Mandy Power. I'm the president of the Dawson County Chamber of Commerce. I do want to recognize some of our sponsors that made this run possible this morning. Our presenting sponsor is Northside Hospital for Sight. Our lunch sponsor, which you will enjoy once you finish, is Northeast Georgia Medical Plaza 400. And breakfast this morning was sponsored by Troncalli Subaru. We also have some additional event sponsors, the Hiking, Hammer Nutrition, Modern Woodman, Freddy's Frozen Custard, and
Spring Crossing. At the mile about 1.3-ish area, you do wind up having some double track that you go out on, and then you'll come back on at around mile 7 through 8, so keep that in mind. We have volunteers out on the course directing traffic in a couple areas.
All right, so a couple minutes before the start. Supposed to be spread out a bit. Social distancing, I'll take the mask off. But for now, for the crowd, keep it on. So, here we go. What time is it? So, 5 minutes.
So there's plenty of room. Remember, we're here for fun. Everybody enjoy it. Make sure you let people go by you. They're just on your left. You guys enjoy the run.
I know, I like that.
Hammer Nutrition, one of the sponsors, they hand out this gel, and we're about 4.5 to 5 miles in. I'm gonna try it out. Espresso, not my ideal flavor, but Good. What a view. Holy mackerel. I lost 107 pounds. My second race. Look at this. What a finish. Let's do it, guys. Fuck, we can rest tomorrow. Come on, come on. Awesome, absolutely. I'll be here next year for sure. Probably will be at the last one. There it is. Moe's. Never had this. He offered us lunch. Chicken and beans. That tastes really good after a race. Definitely gonna do this one next year. Highly recommend it. It's definitely steep, you know, all the ups and downs. Tripped once. A little windy. All right, guys, that's all I got. See you at the next one.